In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Salesforce Trailhead Playground org. Before we begin, a quick note on wording. In Trailhead, deleting a playground from your account is done by disconnecting it. That removes the org from your Trailhead profile and from the places you'd normally launch it, which is effectively what most people mean by delete. Start by opening the Trailblazer community and going to the Trailhead account area. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Trailhead profile. Once you're in, click on your account to open your profile and settings. From there, look for the section where Trailhead keeps your practice environments, often labeled Hands-on Orgs. This is where you'll see every playground connected to your profile. If you don't have any playgrounds listed yet, you'll want to create one so you can see how the removal process works from start to finish. Click Create Playground. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can easily identify it later. Something like Reporting Practice or API Testing works well. Then click Create. You'll see a message that says your playground is being prepared and that it can take a few minutes. That's normal. Just wait for it to finish setting up before you continue. If the page doesn't refresh on its own, simply stay on the page until the status changes, then move on. Once your playgrounds are visible, go to the Connected Orgs section. This view shows the orgs that are linked to your Trailhead profile. Here's where it's helpful to double check you're targeting the right one before you disconnect. You can click on the column headers to sort or reveal details and confirm you've got the right org. Click Organization ID if you want to validate the exact org record behind the scenes. This is useful when you have multiple playgrounds with similar names and want to be certain you're acting on the correct one. Click Username to see or sort by the username associated with that playground. Many people create multiple playgrounds over time and forget which login belongs to which org, so this is a handy way to match what you expect. Click Type to confirm you're looking at a Trailhead playground rather than any other kind of connected org that might appear. Then click Created to sort by the date the org was made. This can help you clean up older practice orgs you no longer need. Click Last Activity to see which playgrounds you haven't touched in a while. If you're unsure which one to remove, starting with the least used org is a safe strategy. If the name of the playground isn't clear, click Rename and give it a more descriptive label. This doesn't change the org's contents, just how it appears in your list, so it's a good way to eliminate confusion before taking action. Once you're absolutely sure you've identified the correct playground, click Disconnect. Confirm the prompt to remove it from your Trailhead account. After disconnecting, the playground will no longer appear in your Hands-on Orgs list or your Module Challenge launchers. Your Trailhead points, badges, and progress are unaffected. You're simply removing the link to that practice environment. If you ever need a fresh playground later, you can come back to this same area and create a new one, following the same steps you used earlier. That's the full process. Open your Trailhead account, head to Hands-on Orgs, create one if you need to, review the connected orgs details to confirm the right target, rename for clarity if helpful, and then disconnect to remove it. Take a moment to tidy up any other inactive playgrounds while you're here, and you'll keep your Trailhead workspace clean and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.